In this video, I'm going to show you the fill and stroke panel gradient. Over here on the right hand side, under your documents panel, the third one down is fill and stroke. Again, you have none, color, pattern, and gradient. If you choose gradient, you have to have something selected first. Choose gradient, and it's going to automatically go to black and white. If I click on here, I get this box open. Okay, you have two markers here, and you can add more, you can delete more, but you cannot delete these two. You have to have a beginning and an ending. All right, so let's go ahead and add a couple more just by clicking inside here. And then I want to start, let's say, with the color dark blue. All right, and then I want it to go to a lighter blue. And then I want it to go to a light gray, almost white. And then this one, I'm going to start going darker again, I think. So we'll choose this one. And then this one, I'm going to go there's a white box there, I just couldn't see it. Oh, I don't know, let's do a real light blue. Okay, so I have all these colors here. I can adjust them if I don't want so much dark on this end, or I want more of the white or whatever. You can just play around with those. Oh, see, I just added one, so I'll pull it down to get rid of it. This shows your position, so if you want them exactly 15 apart, so 15, you could type in 30, you could type in 45. Whew. You could add another one at 60 and so on. So let me go ahead and get rid of that one and move these back out. All right, so they're, you know, kind of evenly spaced. And then I can click OK. And it fills my pattern or my text or my object with a gradient fill. Now I can click over here on this gradient tool and I can play around with this. If I left click here and pull straight down and let go, it changes the position of my stroke. If I grab this corner and I pull over to here, you can see it changes. So you can play around with that as well. Now you also have a radial fill. So you have two separate ones here. Linear, which we just did, and radial. So if I choose radial, you can see I've already made one out. It's the same process. If I want to, you know, get rid of this white, I just pull it down. If I want to add it back, I just click on it, and then I'll click on the color, and I will make that a pink, light pink again. And so it's the same process as the linear, but it gives you a different look. All right, and again, if you go to your gradient tool on your toolbar, you can adjust this however you like. Okay, and that pretty much does it for the gradient tool. So play around with it, have fun. You can get some pretty cool looking effects. Of course, you're going to use it for print and cut projects. So have fun. Thanks for watching.